name's Andrew.
And Andrew, what's your dream? You talked about dreams.
My dream is to make the Star Wars universe come true.
I'm not so into that.
Perfect form, you're on camera. Go! Skip really far. There you go.
Go!
Good job! Go, 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 go! Keep moving, keep moving, keep moving!
Gotta go, gotta go, gotta go. Come on, coach, help the brother out.
This really hurts!
Yeah, that's all right. When I say get it, you say got it. Get it! You have to be able to mirror people that do a great job. I need everyone listening with their...
Okay, how many people have heard my goal speech before? Raise your hand if you have.
What, you have to finish?
So we always talk about the greatest sport is a sport of encouragement. Was try something new, right? Try a new fruit, try a new vegetable, try eating something where the ingredient is the name of the food. So the ingredient of an apple that you ate today was what? Someone was really, really thoughtful. Someone was nice enough to take you and make it possible for you to come down to the camp, right? Whether it was a mom or dad or a friend or someone at the community center, whoever it was, someone took time out of their day to get you down here, right? And make this camp possible. So the homework is to teach them a high five, whether it's the Top Gun or the slow bomb, teach them a high five, and then give them one word of encouragement. So say, hey, thanks so much for taking me down to the camp, or thanks so much for taking the time out. You think that would mean a lot to them? Yeah, for sure. And so now, I tell you what, we want to thank you for coming down, because without you guys, this camp's not possible. Right? These awesome 140, 150 athletes, this camp is impossible. So now I'm going to open it up to all the coaches, and we're going to give some spotlights to finish out the rest of the day.